Hey guys, all right, item number 3, and by the way, I promise I don't wear the same clothes day after day after day. My kids were behaving, and so I was knocking out a few of these videos all in one day. So I do change my clothes, I promise. But yeah, so like I said, we've gone through the EnviroCloth and the window cloth. The main 5 items I'm going to show you this week, it's called the Safe Haven 5. So it would be essentially swapping out the majority of what you use on a day-to-day basis with clean, healthy products that are going to clean effectively for you. So the cleaning paste, because you're like, I thought we were just cleaning with water. Yes, but sometimes you need a little extra oomph. And so any of the actual like products, sprays, anything like that, the cleaning paste, it's all non-toxic, safe for you to breathe, safe for you to touch, safe to go down your drain, you name it. So the cleaning paste, it's like elbow grease in a jar, completely non-toxic. And it's replaced. So I moved into our house about 7 years ago or so, and we're on a septic tank. I could no longer use my Comet with bleach. Things that I would use to clean, my glass shower doors, I couldn't get anything to work on that. And I'll send you guys the picture of the before and after. Actually, I had used vinegar, baking soda, you name it, to try and clean my shower doors, and I couldn't do it. Same thing, my glass cooktop, my oven, couldn't find. My husband would have like 6 different things out to clean our glass cooktop, including a utility blade to scrape. Ridiculous. This cleaning paste has worked wonders on everything. Again, it's like elbow grease in a jar. So I'm gonna draw on a whiteboard with permanent marker, every teacher's nightmare. I'm gonna write something backwards. So give me 1 second. All right, so wrote on the whiteboard here, $200 to $400. This is what an average host will earn in what I call like free Norwex bucks, just for hosting a party. So jump on, say, hey, what's this all about? It's as simple as inviting some friends and family. We do this and you earn free stuff. That's it. Like it's so simple. So again, I drew on a whiteboard with permanent marker. It is indeed permanent marker. It's not dry erase. It's not coming off. So, and this is my EnviroCloth. I'm gonna get you set up down here. All right, so again, here is my cleaning paste, and I've got my damp EnviroCloth. Again, not a whiteboard, not whiteboard marker, whatever you wanna call it. And you're just gonna get a little bit, and it's actually not even like a paste, it's more like a chalk. So this container right here is gonna last so many years. I think it was like, consultants are saying like anywhere from 5 to 7 years, and that's like normal using it, like on anything that you need a little extra oomph on. So that's pretty good. And so you're just going to, and I'm not even pushing real hard here. This cleaning paste, again, your Comet, oh my gosh, magic erasers, love-hate relationship with magic erasers. I think they're awesome, but as soon as you start to use them, they start falling apart. It's just money down the drain. So this is gonna replace, all of that. And again, this is just using it with the EnviroCloth. The shower video that I'm going to show you, and then or the shower pictures, I'll show you the before and after, and then my oven before and after. I actually use, this is a Sperry sponge, and this is the EnviroScrub. This is actually my favorite because I can get into like little crevices and stuff, but the one side is an EnviroCloth and the other side has these little scrubbies to it. So it's part EnviroCloth, part scrubby, and it works great with the cleaning paste. So yeah, like I said, that is the 3rd item in the Safe Haven 5 package of switching and ditching out your harmful chemicals for stuff that's effective and safe to use. So see you guys tomorrow.